In this video, we will be adding integers. Here's the problem. Let's take a look at this problem. Kirk's goal was to save $300 for a trip. In the first week, Kirk saved $16 from his allowance and $54 from his job. He spent $5 for lunch one day and another $2 on the bus. The second week, Kirk saved $62 and another $41, but spent $2 for the bus and $4 for lunch. First question says, how much money did Kirk save in the first week? Okay, so taking a look at the passage here, let's take a look and see what happened in the first week. So it says in the first week, Kirk saved, that should be a space there, $16. Is that a positive or negative? That should be a positive. $16. First week. From his allowance and $54 from his job. But during that first week, he also spent $5 for lunch, which is a negative $5 one day, and another $2 spent on the bus, which is another negative $2. So during the first week, let's see what happened and how much money he have left, Kirk has left. Okay? So let's see. So during the first week, Kirk saved $16 plus $54. Okay? But he also spent, which is a negative $5 for lunch, and he spent $2. So we got to take those off. Okay? For lunch, $2 for the bus. All right, so taking a look at this equation, let's see, you know that you can put the positive numbers together and the negative numbers and then perform an operation that way. So we're going to start with the positive. So if Kirk has $16 saved and $54 saved, that will give Kirk a total of positive $70 saved. Kirk spent a total of $7, which is negative 7. So if you have a positive $70 in your pocket and you spent $7, you can use a number line to solve this, or you can just subtract $7 from the $70, and you'll find out that Kirk, actually the first week, Kirk saved $63. How much money did Kirk save after 2 weeks? Okay, after 2 weeks. Well, let's take a look. So the second week, Kirk saved $62, which is a positive, and he also saved another $41, which is a positive $41. But he also spent $2 for the bus again, and this time he spent $4 for lunch. All right, so in the second week, let's see what Kirk saved. So Kirk saved $62 plus Kirk saved another $41. But this time, he spent $2 for the bus and $4 for lunch. So I'm going to do a negative $2 plus a negative $4. This was for the bus, and this is for lunch. So let's see the second week how much Kirk actually saved. So $62 plus the $41, he actually saved initially $103. But then you have to subtract out what he spent, which is a negative $6. So if I subtract off the $6 from the $103 that he saved, okay, from the second week, that should actually let me know that Kirk actually, on this case, they are trying to find out how much money Kirk saved the second week. So Kirk saved $97 week 2 after. Okay, $97 after week 2. Now let's take a look at this last part, but let's see after 2 weeks. Okay, that's actually during week 2. Let me change this. Let's actually answer the question, which is after week 2. So after 2 weeks, okay, he had $63 plus the $97 for a total of $160 saved after 2 weeks. Okay, now here's the last part of Kirk. So with Kirk, he saves, if Kirk saves $150 the third week, but spends $8, will he reach his goal of saving $300? Remember, his ultimate goal was to save $300 for the trip. So let's take a look. So if he saved $150, but he spent $8, that right there alone, the $150 plus the negative $8, which we'll just take it off, that's $142 on week 3. Now this is the amount that's saved. So let's take a look and let's organize this. Let's go ahead and organize this. So week 1, week 2, and week 3. Week 3 is right here, $142. On week 2, actually I could just go ahead and combine these and say $160 saved, because we already figured that out. He would have saved $302. So yes, Kurt will save over $300 and reach his goal. Today, in this video, we continue to add integers.